making kits for the Cross of Many Squares quilt. Oh my goodness, we have so much fabric to cut. There are lots of ways that you can get ready to do one of these quilts. You can buy a kit from me that's going to be 50 squares. You're going to be able to cut them in half both directions, and you'll have 200 squares out of the almost 800 that you need. And it's a good way to get your base tone colors that you need in order to make your quilt on your design wall. But you're going to need to add from your stash lots more. That's one option. Second option is you can buy the full deal, all lined up and stacked and labeled and ready to go, and all you need to do is sit down and sew it all. We're going to have kits of quilts bagged up and organized, and we're working on that. But oh my, it's all the work's going to be done. It's going to be gorgeous, and you just have to sit down at your sewing machine and start sewing things together. That's a second option. Or you can just go online and look at all my free information. You can just do it completely from your own scraps. That's a third option. Or you can get together with a few of your friends. Oh, and this is the thing that I think is really fun. I like to quilt with one or two or three other people and just have a party. So we can have a PaolaDay Holiday cross quilts together. And I think the best way to do that is to have about, 4 friends. You can buy some pre-cut things. You can either get some fat quarters, or you can get some charm packs, or you can get some jelly rolls, or, there's all kinds of pre-cuts out there, or you can just all buy yardage. But each gal take one of the color groups, and you pick out a really nice variety of blues, and the next person's going to pick out a nice variety of reds and pinks and salmons. The next person is going to buy a nice variety of greens in all the rich tones of green. And then we need some purples, we need some very, very, very blush tones. And you need something kind of specific for the cross and the border. So if you each focus on one area and you just have to buy, a little bit of fabric, and then you all share, that's going to work really well. Because if you buy a jelly roll, you're going to have a width of fabric, 42, 45, 40, somewhere in that 40 to 45 inch strip. 2.5, you're going to have way too many squares of just one color for your cross. You want, maybe about 4 of any one color. So a charm pack works really well. A 5x5 piece is perfect because it's easy to plan out, it's easy to group your colors, and you're only going to have 4 pieces of one fabric if it's a 5-inch square. So that's why we're doing our main kits are going to be 5-inch squares. And then that way you have 4 of them, and it'll look nice, and you can arrange things fairly quickly, and then you can fill in all the little extras from your scraps. The reason I like batiks and cherry wood is there's no right side and there's no wrong side. No matter how I cut these, no matter how I stack them up, no matter how I piece them together, it doesn't matter which side I use. Every piece of this, every side of it is gorgeous. Now I might like one side slightly better than the other for whatever reason, because there's a little more ink or there's a little less dye, and I can pick and choose as I'm putting it up on the design wall exactly where I want it. But it doesn't matter which way I piece it. It's gorgeous all the way to the edge. It's gorgeous top and bottom. There are some things that look like batiks, but they're actually printed. There's a huge difference whether I have the front side or the back side. And granted, it's still nice fabric, and maybe it has a really cool look from the back side, and that's okay too. If I need a light colored fabric and I don't have quite enough of something, maybe using the back side, the wrong side of a printed fabric might give me just a little bit lighter blush of color, and so I might want to use that side. There's no reason I can't use that side if I want to, for a reason. But some quilting police people would say, oh, she turned that one around accidentally, it's the wrong side. Well, no, maybe I chose to use this side for a reason. Or maybe I just made an oopsie and got it in there that way, but that's okay. But that's the first reason why. The kits that I'm making up for you are going to be mainly cherry wood and batiks, because they're going to be easier for you to use, and doesn't matter how you do it, and they're wonderful. In the big kits, sometimes I need some printed fabrics. I want some pretty little flowers, or I want some pretty little leaves, or I want some pretty little somethings. And some of the fabrics that I come across that are printed are going to be just perfect for that cross. And so some of them will be printed, but most of them are going to be batiks and cherrywood. There are lots of ways that you can make this easy by buying a kit from me, or buying some charms, or buying some pre-cuts of various ways, and then sharing the task with a friend. But the bigger your piece of fabric, the less expensive it is for you in the long run per square. But this is way too much of one particular fabric. But if you are sharing with a few friends and you're having a PaolaDay holiday, this is a good way to do it. Buying fat quarters. A fat quarter is 1/4 of a yard. They start out with a yard of fabric. So it's 36 inches long. That's a yard. And it's the whole width of fabric. So it's 40, 42, maybe 45 inches wide. And then they cut it in half, and in half both ways. So it's 1/4 of a yard, but it's kind of a square. You could buy just 1/4 of a yard off the bolt, and then it's long and skinny. But that isn't as efficient for making the squares that you need. So anyway, fat quarters are nice. They're already pre-cut. You can just pick and choose, and you can look at them and go, oh yes, I like this, oh I don't like this one, and oh blah blah blah. Fat quarters are nice because you get enough fabric and enough variety quickly and easily, and it's just a nice way to do it. Let's go. And just have a party. So we can have a PaolaDay holiday